Like, see, now you want to talk all your shit. Let's take the cuffs off. All right. Yeah, let's take them off. Let's take them off. Let's take the cuffs off. All right. But me and you, one-on-one. Sure. All right. Absolutely. All right. Hey, you heard that shit? All right. One-on-one right there. All right. Cool. Absolutely. Let me get them off first. Hey, you beat my ass, like, don't fucking kill me. No, I'm just gonna. As soon as they come off, I'm gonna beat your ass. That's what I'm gonna do. You ready? You ready? Yes, sir. Okay. God damn, man. Fucking, what, you trying to fucking break my arm? That would be the idea. Jesus Christ. That would be the idea. I appreciate you doing me good. Sure, absolutely. Damn, bro. Absolutely. Shit. Well, get out of here. Thank you. Sure. There you go. There you go. Now, you can get out. Let's go. Run. Do something. Appreciate it. Do something. Well, you have my 100, bro. I'm not doing it to you, bro. Yeah. You're the one that had the bad, bro. I'm not doing it to you, bro. I'm just telling you about the bullets, bro. Okay. That's it, man. Okay. I didn't mean no disrespect, man. Okay, really. So nothing's going to come out of this. All right. I'm sorry. I got you. Step out. Step out. Go back into the house. I thought something was going to come out of this. Oh, man. I thought you were going to fucking fight, like you said. Man. I'm not fighting, man. I thought you were going to fight. Come on, man. Oh, man. You had me all excited. I was ready for it. Get back in there. Hold on. You're going to jail. I thought it was going to be a good fight. But nah, you changed your mind. You told me you were. You lied to me. You actually would have going to let me fight you. Yeah. Really? I was. Honest to God. Honest to God. One-on-one. I was going to pull you out, yeah. One-on-one. I was going to pull you out, yeah. And you and I were going to go, yeah. Yeah. And then you can walk away. That shit. Really? Yeah, you kick my ass, take my gun, shoot me in the head. No, I'm not going to take your gun. No, but take over back to your gun, I'll fight you. Absolutely. Really? You mean it? Absolutely. What do you think I just did? No, but I thought you were fucking jokey, bro. I mean, you're I took the cuffs off. Yeah, but you want me to take them over? Nope. You sure, brother? Yes, sir. You want me to follow you on there? Nope. Huh? Nope. 'Sergeant. I'll think of something. How about public intoxication? Pedestrian in a roadway. Whatever else I can think of. Make it, bro. My brother's been shot this morning, bro. $6150. Can you copy me? Can you copy my radio?
5230-5250, Will and Motel's calling in again, Suite 103. Again, I'm trying to break in.
6150, can you copy this radio?
6150, can I say you okay?
Yes, ma'am. I got one adult male to 401-29817.
Is it going to be 0558, 0558? 6300 out there, go ahead, please.
All those officers down at 401. Sounds like a cycle.
Sounds closer. 5230 and 6250. Slow it down, code 1. Slow it down, code 1 for the road and
got witnesses, right? My family. And I just, I see the murder case. Like, you know, it's on the computer.
What's your name?
Loy, yeah.
What is it?
Loy.
Loy, L-O-Y? E-L-O-Y. And your last name?
Yeah.
Would you say Mundial?
That?
Would you say Mundial?
Leal.
Leal, I'm sorry.
Leal.
And your birthday?
Whatever you said about, you know, the other cops, that's supposed to be the story. You guys, of course, I know I guess. Anything I was not wrong. I know, I might be covered up. And you guys, the one that did look at this and all that, we need to investigate it. Let's take it to trial.
My question would be, where do you, I guess it's because you've been arrested a bunch of times, but where do you get the, like, immediate disrespect? Like, there's nobody on earth, no matter what job you do, whether you're a school teacher or you work at McDonald's, there's nobody that I'm disrespectful to right away. Nobody that I would say, oh, that's some fucking group bunch of French fries you fried, McDonald's motherfucker. Or there's nobody that I would say that to. I would say, hey, officer, I don't know if you guys saw it or not, but I think I saw some casings over here. I don't know if they're involved, but I just wanted to let you guys know. Not motherfucker, oh, hey, some investigation you guys do, or, hey, cop, who talks to people like that? I don't know what job you do. I don't even know if you have a job, but whatever job you do, I would never, no matter what it is, I would never go, whatever you are. Hey, garbage fuck. Hey, guy who does my fucking garbage. Hey, whatever. I would never do that. Where does that immediate disrespect come from? Like, where does it originate from? Where do you get that you think that you should talk to people like that? Who raised you to think? Sorry's not good enough, dumb fuck. Where do you think that is appropriate? Where is that appropriate? Right, and it's a mistake, and everybody makes a mistake. And everybody makes a mistake. Who doesn't make a mistake? Nobody's been out there. And guess what, guy? I went to the detective, and the detective said he saw those casings. The other officer said he saw those casings, and those casings are old. They weren't involved. That's why they didn't pick them up. Now, maybe they should have. But everybody, yeah, they were. I went and looked at them. They're old. They did not. In the last 30 minutes to an hour, they did not get shot. But that's beside the point. But that's beside the point. Even if they were, who doesn't make mistakes? Everyone makes mistakes in their job. And it would be totally fine as a citizen. You're like, hey, officer, hey, I don't know, but this looks like. You did not call me officer. You have never called me officer until I said, listen, shut the fuck up and get in the car. You never did that. Don't lie and say you did that. Just like you wanted, it's all recorded. Don't lie and say you did. You never called me officer. The way you addressed me was incredibly disrespectful. And I mean not just to me, but to anybody. To anybody. It's recorded. I'll play it back for you. I'll play it back. You're like, hey, cop, can I walk through here? Hey, some investigation you guys did. Who talks to people like that? I would never talk to anybody like that. That's why you're going to jail and I'm not. And you had the chance to run, to fight, to do whatever, but you didn't. Because not only are you stupid, you're a coward.
Yeah, I'm stupid.
Yeah, you are. You're the one in the back of the car, and you're a coward. And on top of it all, it's all because you're a disrespectful, trashy human being. Like, you can look at you and see how trashy you are and disrespectful.
You know what? I think it's a minute, bro. I gotta tell you, bro.
You wouldn't even know what the Fifth Amendment is. What's it a part of? Where does the Fifth Amendment come from? Did you learn that in history? Do you even know what it is? You probably heard that. You probably heard that on TV. Yeah, you know it's the right to remain silent. That's all that you know. Do you know what else the Fifth Amendment? Where does it come from? Where does it come from? Where does it come from? See, that's what I'm talking about. You're so intelligent that the only thing you can say is make sex jokes about somebody's wife. That's all you can come up with. I asked you a historical question, a question about our history. You can't answer that. You can just make jokes about somebody's wife. That's the best that you can do. That's the degree to which your intelligence has evolved. That's all you can say is make a sex joke. You can't talk about anything like legitimate, can't answer any of my legitimate questions. You don't know anything about history. Like I said, I doubt you even have a high school diploma. But, man, you can make jokes.
I'm sorry, man.
Man.
I'm sorry, man.
That's the first honest thing you said today.
Sorry, man. Why you keep on talking to me, bro?
That's the first honest thing you said. You did. You are honest. That was an honest thing you said.
Thank you. Thank you for believing me on that.
You are sorry. A sorry human being. That is correct.